Hello guys, it's Akatela here, and today I'm gonna take a look at my Panasonic Cosette tape. So as you can see, this is what I got. I got this 1 year ago, which is 2019. I found it in a street somewhere, and I was able to find it. And how do I open this? You can see it's on this box right here, and it's the back. So let me just try to open. Yeah, it's gonna be like an unboxing video also. Oh, I thought I just broke it. But anyways, box was set down in the side, and here's a cassette what it looks like. Someone just write something on this DVC, and I don't know. You can see there's something right here. It has 60 SP mode and 90 LP mode. It has a, let me just zoom in so you can, it has a mini DVM. The model of this one is a DVM, not DVM, DVM60. And it got this blue, right here. It tells me to open it up, I think. As you can see, it's the back. Here's the cassette. And there's something right here. You hear that? Alright, I'm not gonna mess around with it. So you got this, what is this? I think it's a sweat or something. Oh wait. You better not trip me. Now I don't know what that is, but as you can see, this green thing right here. You can barely see it. These are like speakers, I believe. Can we open this? No, we cannot. What it tells me to open it up. It tells me to open it up, but how? It's in this DTK box. You can see. That's pretty cool. You can see there's a blue on the back of this. It looks like it's glowing, so that's pretty cool. This one is the front, and I don't know what the red thing it is. It's really old. Let's just put this back. Well, I'll just do it later. But it's by Panasonic. You know, just say covering the panel. It's a Sonic. Sonic is a video game, and yeah. You know about a game called Sonic the Hedgehog? You can see this is a pretty nice cassette tape, and you can see, yeah, I think that's all of it now. Let's see if there's more. Alright, I don't see anything, just this red. Just a mirror. Like a mirror thing. Alright guys, I had to put this back in, but thanks for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, if I will do one. Peace out, and enjoy now.